Welcome guys to another exciting video. Today, I'm going to show you how to expand your photo or image. If you have an image and feel like it's limited or incomplete, I've got you covered. Just follow the video till the end and you'll be surprised by the results. First things first, we are going to use the Canva platform. Make sure you have a premium account because these features are available only in the premium plan. If you don't have one, I'm going to show you how to get one for free in the next videos. Let's start the work. Open your account. Click Create a Design. Type your desired dimensions. Click Create New Design. Now, you have to upload your own image by using the Upload button right here. Or you can choose one photo from the Canva image library located right here. Alternatively, you can choose an image from the internet and bring it to the platform. It's so easy. Let's get an image from Google. I'm going to look for some beautiful places. Okay, there are so many images here. I'm going to choose something like that. It's a beautiful image, and we're going to expand it to see what the AI is going to give us as a result. Just drag this image and drop it into the platform, just like that. Make sure to leave some empty space around the image that you want to fill with the AI. Also, make sure to select the image, and an Edit Photo button will appear in the top toolbar. Click on it, and a bunch of new options will appear on the left side. All we need right now is the Magic Expand tool. So, click on Magic Expand. It will show me some options here. Whether I select a specific range that I want to be filled by the AI, or I can select the whole page to fill all the empty spaces. Now, the final step is clicking the Magic Expand button. So the platform can start its work, and AI will imagine the rest of these images and fill all the empty spaces around the image. And boom, here are the results. As you can see, it looks like an original image taken organically by a camera. You can also see the details that the AI imagined to be in this photo, like the shadow of the chairs and the reflection of the trees in the water. That is something really amazing. Here, it gives you multiple results you can choose from. The first time I used these tools, I was surprised by the results, so I invite you to use these tools and try it with your own photos. You're going to really like it. So let's give it another try with another image. For example, this calm town with the snow falling. Let's see how the AI can imagine the rest of the image. With the same method, I'm going to drag it and drop it inside the platform. Then I will click Edit Photo. After that, I will select the whole page and click the Magic Expand button. Wait a second while the process finishes. And boom. Again, this is really amazing, guys. You can't even detect what is the original parts or the parts that have been added. As I said before, it gives you multiple results that you can choose from. I hope you liked this video and find it valuable. If so, don't forget to give us a thumbs up and a nice comment below. And I'll see you in the next video.